Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a shape text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now you want to make a shape text box, go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu. You can choose the text box option and draw it. Then write anything on this text box. Otherwise, you can add shape to text. Go to back again the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Then click the round rectangle. Then draw this. Then click right button on our mouse and click Add text. Then write anything on these shapes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.